Knee block has, before you hit, you're going to be kicking. So we are actually not trying to hit bone to bone, we're trying to hit muscle to bone. So the way we accomplish this is we take our block, y'all stop, you lift, you turn your foot inwards to expose this muscle on the side of the shin versus the shin itself. And then you pull the foot up instead of pointing it down. It's better balance if you have it pointed up. Plus, if he kicks me, boom, I'm ready for that counter kick with the toe kick.
I'm wearing jeans.
But you don't have to kick back. We're just practicing the block today.
I'm wearing. Bring me up. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
He's gonna break his jeans.
So something I used to do, come here, Dakari. If your jeans are too tight for you to block all the way up here comfortably, you buy looser pants. No, or you can actually block lower. You can block here instead of up here. So if he throws a kick, throw a low kick to
I'm
my
still
knee,
recording.
I can block it like that, just bringing my knee up to my other knee, or my foot up to my other knee. So go ahead and throw it again. Boom, I can do like that. Now if he throws that kick and it lands here, that's what my down block is for.
Oh, my toe!
And the down block is effective.
Oh, my big toe.